There's this papier-mache recipe I've always wanted to try. Now I have a project to use it on. It's from a woman named Johnny Good, and she has a YouTube channel called @Ultimate Papier-Mache. I'm very excited to get started with this project. Supplies needed: toilet paper, PVA glue, pre-mixed drywall joint compound, not DAP brand, white flour, hot water safe to touch, a blender or a mixer, a sieve, a food scale or measuring cups, bowls, spoons, or whatever else you think you may need. Weigh out 72 grams of dry toilet paper. Tear toilet paper up into smaller bits. Get a larger bowl than you think you need, and then pour the hot water over the toilet paper until very wet. Mix the toilet paper up in the water so it starts to break down into finer particles. This is where we squeeze out the water from the toilet paper until we get 330 grams of wet toilet paper. I squeezed the toilet paper too tightly here, so I had to break it up into smaller pieces. Next, measure out 195 grams of PVA glue. Pour the glue into the wet toilet paper. Measure out 440 grams of the pre-mixed joint compound. the joint compound to the bowl with the glue and the toilet paper and mix together. Measure out 70 grams of white flour. Begin blending the mixture together without the flour first. I did end up switching to using my hands. I found I preferred that method of mixing. And then you will continue to add in the flour a little bit at a time until your clay is not super sticky. I treated this very much like how I would make bread dough, by adding a little bit of flour at a time and kneading it until it reached the consistency that I desired. Give your clay a good pat. Then store your clay in whatever airtight container you prefer. What I learned from the first time making this papier-mâché clay. First, don't squeeze the TP too tight when reducing the amount of water. It will create lumps that you have to work out later. Next, add more flour if clay is still too moist. Clay should be moldable but not super sticky, and I preferred mixing by hand.